Alright, I decided to put together another video to show how something was actually constructed. For a little introduction, I'll first show you what we're building. This is our aerial combat shuttle, and if we go through this little hole in the floor, I've already built this much of it. I'll turn it on and show you what's happening. The body is coming from over there. It's composed of 12 of those blocks in 2 levels of 2 by 3. And over here we're making the engines. 2 sets of 3 blocks. And when it's the 12 blocks put together, fall down here, the engines come in, welded, the other engine comes in, it's all set to go. So let's shut that off and we'll go back to where we're building outside. Now what we have is we have 2 resource generators, one that puts out these little blue cockpit boxes and one that puts out these little orange weapons boxes. I've already built an assembler for the orange weapons, but I'll show you how I did that by building another one for the for the cockpit. We have a conveyor to have it come out, then a plane block. A conveyor block will push it forward, push it facing the right. A plane block will let something stop, push it forward unless something comes behind it. Then next to it, we're going to put a pusher. And connected to that pusher will be a sensor. Now that sensor, when something gets in front of it, will cause this pusher piston to come out. And when it does, it'll land on this other conveyor belt. In the meantime, we're going to have that conveyor belt go forward 1 more level to a plane block, and we're going to put a welder piece there. On the other side, we're just going to let this conveyor go out, and on the back of this welder for the other production line. Now, as you'll see, what'll happen is a cockpit piece will come down, it'll stop here. The next one will come out, it'll hit this one, push it forward, which will cause it to come here and stop. The one that pushed it will end up here. As the other one goes in front of the sensor, it causes the piston to come out. It will land on this conveyor, it will slide forward, roll forward, be pushed forward. And as it comes level with the welder, it'll weld these 2 pieces together, and since they're now welded together, it can continue on the one conveyor belt. Start. There you go. Takes a little while for the next one to come out. Pushes it, welds, and voila! There you go, 2 pieces. And you just stack those together, weld them together, put them on the front of the rest of the shuttle that's being produced right now, and you'll have your aerial combat shuttle.